Now that we have run the job, let's see how we can read and write from the GCS, the Google Cloud file system. So over here we have two workflows. One will enable us to read from GCS and second would write to the GCS. So first look at the read GCS. We'll double click and here we are going to provide the path of the file that we want to process. We can also use the view file button to view the file. And we are just going to print all the rows that are present in this particular file saved in the Google file system. So we'll again go ahead and execute it. So this will execute again on the Dataproc cluster, and this is going to give us our Dataproc job ID. And in a couple of seconds you will be able to see that this particular job has finished, and it will display the entire content of the file right in the execution page of Sparkflows. So here you can see that it has automatically updated the execution page with the job result. Next, let's go to the another workflow that will enable us to write to the GCS. So in this case we are reading from the BigQuery and then writing to the GCS file system. So let's execute it. And once again you will be able to see a job ID generated automatically. And this is going to be really handy if you want to track on the Dataproc cluster in your Google Cloud platform. So once it has read the BigQuery table, internally it is going to use a temporary location for storing the file output, and once that is done it will save the output to a specific location that we have specified in our workflow. So that's how you read and write to the GCS. Thanks.